Do you know how to challenge an arbitrator under the Arbitration Act? Come, let's quickly learn about this section. This is given under section number 13. The parties are free to agree on the procedure. The parties can decide the procedure in the arbitration agreement itself. Any party who wants to challenge the arbitrator within 15 days of getting to know the composition of the arbitral tribunal, he should send a written statement of reasons to the arbitral tribunal. For example, if you got to know about the arbitral tribunal today, you have to send a statement of reasons within 15 days. If the challenge is unsuccessful, the arbitral proceedings will be continued same as the usual way. Section 14. Failure or impossibility to act as an arbitrator. The office of the arbitrator will terminate if he is unable to perform. The office was also terminated when he withdraws or the parties agree for the termination of arbitrator. If the parties do not know whether the arbitrator is able to perform or not, they can ask the court whether it is possible or not. This is about section 13 and 14 of the Arbitration Act.